Introducing Forecaster. Your data carries patterns of what's coming. Forecaster reads the timeline before it unfolds. Pull the data, fix the dates, fill the gaps, guess the trend. That's not forecasting, that's survival. And it happens every single cycle. When the forecast is wrong, everything downstream breaks. Capacity plans, spending decisions, market timing. Your data had the answer months ago. It was never asked. Forecaster connects to your databases, your files, your cloud storage, profiles your data, cleans it, understands its time patterns. Pick from 25+ algorithms yourself, or switch to AutoML and let the system find the best fit for you. You get a prediction, an accuracy score, and a reason to trust it. One dashboard. Every project, every KPI, every model, tracked live. Built-in data prep cleans and shapes your data before a single prediction runs. Schedule forecasts daily, weekly, monthly. Forecaster runs while you sleep. AI insights explain what's changing and why. What if scenarios let you test the decision before you make it? Let's see the enterprise impact. Finance forecasts revenue with confidence. Retail predicts demand before shelves go empty. Telecom plans network capacity ahead of every surge. Supply chains stay a cycle ahead. E-commerce times every campaign. Healthcare, energy, logistics. Every industry, one platform. Every team. Every prediction that matters. The future is already written in your data. Those who read it first, lead first. Forecaster by DataByte. Read the future. Lead the future.